Building muscle and losing fat simultaneously, often referred to as body recomposition, is a challenging but achievable goal. It requires a combination of proper nutrition, resistance training, cardiovascular exercise, and consistency. Here are 5 steps to help you achieve this goal. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about 5 steps to build muscle and lose fat at the same time. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Number 5. Calculate your caloric needs. Determine your maintenance calories. Calculate your basal metabolic rate, BMR, using a reliable calculator, Harris-Benedict equation, Mifflin-St Jeor equation, or an online calculator to find out how many calories your body needs at rest. Create a calorie deficit. To lose fat, you need to consume fewer calories than your maintenance calories. A safe and sustainable calorie deficit is typically 250 to 500 calories per day. Maintain protein intake. Aim to consume about 1.2 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day to support muscle growth and maintenance. Number 4. Follow a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods. Prioritize lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Monitor portion sizes. Be mindful of portion control to ensure you maintain your calorie deficit without overeating. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to support your metabolism and overall health. Whole foods. Opt for nutrient-dense whole foods like lean proteins, chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, complex carbohydrates, oats, brown rice, quinoa, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber for overall health. Portion control. Understanding portion sizes is crucial. You can use measuring cups, a food scale, or your hand as a rough guide. For example, a serving of lean protein is typically about the size of your palm, while a serving of carbohydrates is roughly the size of your clenched fist. Meal timing. Consider spacing your meals evenly throughout the day to maintain energy levels and manage hunger. Some people find success with smaller, more frequent meals, while others prefer a standard 3-meal approach. Experiment to find what works best for you. Nutrient timing. Consider consuming a balanced meal with protein and carbohydrates after your workouts. This can help with muscle recovery and replenishing glycogen stores. Number 3. Resistance training. Strength training is crucial for building muscle. Incorporate a well-structured resistance training program that targets all major muscle groups. Use progressive overload. Continually challenge your muscles by increasing weights, repetitions, or intensity over time. Aim for compound exercises. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups engage multiple muscle groups and burn more calories. Structured program. Design a well-rounded resistance training program that includes exercises targeting all major muscle groups. You might follow a split routine, example, upper body and lower body days, or a full body workout regimen. Progressive overload. Continually challenge your muscles by increasing the resistance, weights, repetitions, or intensity of your exercises. This progression is essential for muscle growth. Form and technique. Focus on proper form and technique to avoid injuries and maximize muscle engagement. Consider working with a certified trainer, especially if you're new to weightlifting. Rest and recovery. Ensure you allow sufficient time for muscle recovery. Adequate sleep, nutrition, and rest days between intense workouts are vital for muscle repair and growth. Number 2. Cardiovascular exercise. Include cardio workouts to increase calorie expenditure and improve cardiovascular health. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be especially effective for burning fat and preserving muscle mass. Aim for a mix of steady-state cardio and HIIT to keep your workouts varied. Cardio selection. Incorporate various forms of cardiovascular exercise, including steady-state cardio, example, jogging, cycling, and high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Each has its benefits, with HIIT being particularly effective for fat loss. HIIT guidelines. In a typical HIIT workout, you alternate between short bursts of high-intensity effort, example, sprinting, and short periods of low-intensity recovery, example, walking. This not only burns calories, but also boosts your metabolism. Frequency and duration. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, as recommended by health guidelines. Adjust the frequency and duration based on your goals and fitness level. Number 1. Monitor your progress. Track your nutrition and exercise routines and make adjustments as needed. Pay attention to how your body responds. You may need to tweak your calorie intake or exercise routine to continue progressing. Be patient and consistent. Building muscle and losing fat simultaneously is a gradual process that takes time. Tracking. Keep a detailed record of your workouts, including the exercises, weights, repetitions, and sets. Track your food intake using apps or journals to monitor calorie consumption and macronutrient ratios. Body measurements. Alongside the scale, consider taking body measurements, example, waist, hips, chest, arms, legs, and progress photos. These can provide a more accurate reflection of your body composition changes. Feedback loop. Regularly assess how your body is responding to your training and nutrition plan. If progress stalls, be prepared to make adjustments. Consult with a fitness professional if needed to fine-tune your program. Patience and consistency. Building muscle and losing fat simultaneously is a gradual process. Stay committed to your plan, be patient with yourself, and understand that there may be periods of slower progress. Remember that genetics, age, and individual factors can influence the rate at which you can build muscle and lose fat. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or certified fitness trainer before starting any new exercise or nutrition program, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or specific goals in mind. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure your approach is safe and effective. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.